Yeah, I'm a very big traveler. Originally, I came from Vietnam. Like I spent my first like 16 years there. And then for my last like 2 years of high school, I was like, okay, I'm getting out of this. So I went to an international school in Israel. We did like the full international baccalaureate program, and then ever since then, I kind of just start like branching out, I guess, because like Israel is just like so close to Europe. So like I was traveling in Europe for like more than a month, like after our graduation, and then I took a gap year. So I was mostly traveling like around Southeast Asia. And like I hopped to the US like once a year. Like in 2017, I was in New York for like a month. And then in 2018, I was in Florida for like a month, and now, well, I'm here in Memphis. It's really interesting because ever since I came here, I feel like the American culture is not as open as like other cultures could be. But also I feel like I'm just like really out there. So like I've crossed like all sorts of cultures because like people really take like, you know, like stranger danger like very seriously. I took a gap year because I was like applying to school and I didn't get to like where I wanted to go. So I was like, okay, I need to like redo that. But in order to redo that, I was going through this like not a very great mental health stage, and I was like, I need a reset. I went to Europe and I was like, everything is so expensive, this is crazy. So I started hitchhiking. So I hitchhiked from Poland to France. So it's around like 1,800 miles. Yeah. I was traveling solo, yes, but because I went to my international high school, so every like, you know, country that I stopped by, I have like a friend or two, you know, and it was really fun, like country hopping to see my friends. And I guess in a way that was like kind of like how I can like save up money too, because I could just like stay by my friend's house and like they could like they're my tour guides. They're like they know exactly where I should go, what I should be eating, that sort of thing. So I think that's really fun. I feel like that trip kind of just make me like regain my trust in humanity again, because I just feel like people are like so nice. So like everyone was born nice. And it's just kind of, you know, it depends on you to kind of open it up, so that other people feel like they could open up to you as well. Like, I mean, I like my school, but sometimes it's just kind of hard to like know exactly who you should be talking to. I'm very like out here and like hi, but I guess schools in the South are just a little different. Have you heard of like Southern hospitality? So like everybody is like great in making small talks, but like when you try to get out of it for a little bit, people are like, okay, hold up, what? Like, are we really trying to talk right now? It's been a little difficult trying to find my crew or whatever that is. I honestly, like, a lot of people have like told me to like start blogging and stuff. I actually like I wrote my college statement based on my trip. It was really fun. But I don't know, I really want to get back into writing at some point, because I love writing, but I hate the process of it because I'm so picky with like my word choice and stuff. Like even when I'm like writing essays for college, it's always like I spend like hours on thesaurus just like looking through like synonyms. This word sounds about right. Yeah, so that's always a struggle.